well, I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring out the seat and the handle on the rod. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna butt it up against my fingernail there. Take my red marker. Double check. Okay, so red mark lines up there. So, okay, now that I got that marked out, take my tape and start making arbors. I got 1/2 inch to choose from, 1/4 inch, and 1/8. I'll probably do some 1/2 inch band here, maybe a 1/4 inch band here, maybe any other 1/4 inch band, because this is going to be in the middle of the way. So I'll make another 1/4 inch band here, maybe 2 1/2 inch bands. Alright, got the 3 arbors on. Let's check the fit. Just snug. No wobble. Looks pretty. I'm gonna have to take this handle, this cork handle, and ream it out. I got these reamers, different sizes, and all you gotta do is sit here and spin this real easy, or you can put it on a drill. So this is the second size up. Here's my winding check. So I'm gonna just kind of scooch that down until it stops, and then I'm gonna put a piece of tape just to as a marker to know where I'm gonna go. Then once I get close, I can start testing it out. That way I know where to stop. He's all reamed out. You just gotta get it where it's snug. Make sure it comes down. You don't want to force it. So it's tight right here. Got a little wobble on this side, so we'll put an arbor or 2 back around here. Okay, I made 2 arbors. Now we can get it cinched in and see if it'll fit. Snug there. Snug there. Solid. No wobbles. That's a good fit. I've got the Pro Paste hardener and the resin pre-measured out a little equal parts to mix up. So we're going to stir this up and make sure it gets to a consistent mix, and then we'll start applying it on the rod link. Now that it's fully mixed up, I'll go ahead and start applying it to the rod. Don't worry about excess, because you can wipe all that stuff off with a paper towel and some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure all the voids are filled, because that's what you're gonna get your strength from once this hardens. I'll slowly twist this on. Notice I put some tape to keep from getting that on the threads. If it gets too much, you can always scrape a little bit off as you go. isopropyl alcohol. Clean out the edges a little bit. So we got the red line here. It's for our handle piece. So let's go ahead and add some to the rod. You don't have to put as much on this because it's a tighter fit. Okay, once we get here, we'll start slowly rotating, getting all that epoxy underneath that cork. Butt it up against it. Let's go ahead and put the winding check on. Just put a little smear of epoxy on this tip. Peel this tape off now. And then we'll do the final cleanup on all the parts. While I'm waiting for this, these parts to dry and cure, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this Cork Seal and let it dry up on here. All you gotta do is brush it on one coat and just let it dry. Let that soak in for about a minute, then we'll wipe off the excess and it'll be done. All you need is one coat. Okay, now just let it dry.